All right, it is May the 6th, 2023, and it's about 3:30, almost 4 p.m. This is Canyon Lake in Texas. It's in between Austin and San Antonio, and the weather is not perfect today, but I'm glad I got a chance to get out and see the lake, do a little kayaking. I was told not to go out into the greater lake, but to kind of stay in this inlet. So I'm going to, go out as far as I can and just see what it's about. I think the main concern is the boats and the jet skis and that sort of thing. So definitely don't want to get caught up, but at the same time, I do want to do a little bit of exploring. So there's only a 36% chance of rain, and I'm saying only because I'm trying to have positive vibes here about the weather. It was a crazy amount of money to get into the park, $20. Couldn't believe it. And then $35. $35 for the kayak rental. So quite a bit of money for this particular lake, but it's not bad. Hello. I am too. The water does feel pretty good. There's more than a few people out here in the water. Such a hard time with this camera. One of these days I will find a decent hole to put this thing in. That's not bad, but I have a feeling it's not going to last. Nice little current too. Means I might have to work a little bit coming back. See some sailboats in the distance. Must be a marina. That is a marina. All the houses on the hill. It's not a bad camera hole. wake from the jet ski. So at this point, I'm gonna guess that the inlet goes all the way to the end of that point over there. So I have quite a bit to play around